Hi, my name's Jenny and I am doing a bag review of the Mina Baie Nylon Mini Stevie and Gunmetal. I also got the pouch set in tan from another mama on the BST. Got this for $60. I think that pretty much matches their Black Friday sale. And this one, like I said in my previous video, I got it for $130 from the same BST. Okay, so this one, I'd say, I mean, it's a medium-sized backpack. It is comparable size to their Mini Kitty, but I feel like the Mini Kitty packs a lot less. And then also with the carry kit backpack, I'd say they're comparable. Like Mina Baie's a little bit wider, obviously, because carry kit kind of tapers off on up the middle. So here, let me show you how I have it packed up. So I have this whole mess right here that I was going to put in my bag, but since we're going to be packing these cases too, let's do that as well. So I guess you can say this is also an unpacking for the pouches. But look at those leather pouches. I love it. So they recently upgraded it. So with their straps, it comes with a short and long strap, I think. Or actually, these are both short straps. Okay, and this is their small one. It's just a pouch, like no extra pockets or anything. And the bigger one, it has, let's see, it has their card holder, and then a little pouch here, or a little pocket here, there for the card holder. In their older version pouches, the card holder was attached to it, I think. I'm trying to remember, I had one before and sold it. And then it has a zipper pocket here. So let me pack this up. So in the big pouch, I am going to pack a card wallet with my cards in it, and then this coin purse by Jujube. I think it matches perfectly. That's gonna go in the big pouch, and then this I'll probably put in here. Let me see. This will probably be my like wallet / makeup bag. Probably put my lipstick, my Kabuki brush, powder, and my eyeliner. Okay, so that fits. I can probably fit more. Let's see, put tissues in there. It's not crowded at all, so that's perfect. And then my smaller pouch is called the BB pouch. Let's see, I can probably use this as my mid pouch, although I had my Jujube Be Mind as my mid pouch. Let me see. So it's just a bunch of little hair ties, compact brush, little wipes. One's my glass wipes, and then another is a shout wipe. And then eye drops, a little Neosporin spray, and then Band-Aids, a little more ointment, and some alcohol wipes. A little messier than I'd want, but it should be okay for now. If anything, I'll probably repack this with smaller pouches just because I don't like how crazy it looks in there. But I can still probably fit more. All right, now onto the bag. So in this front pocket here, it does have two front pockets for the key leaves. So normally I like putting my sanitizing spray in there. We'll put sanitizing wipes in there as well. thought it was gonna fit. I was like, it feels deeper. I just had to push it down a little bit. And then that's gonna be it for now. The main pocket. Let's see. So as you can see, there's a lot of pockets. So I have this pouch with their snacks in it. It's this is the small Be Organized Jujube. So let's put it here. That's perfect. And then see, I do have a pouch for their clothes too. I'm just trying to figure out where everything should go. So I do have my chargers that I usually take with me. And then I have my Nintendo Switch. It's in the medium Jujube. Okay. And then I have a 2-pack. Normally I have 2 of these, but I need to buy some more for my girls. This one I usually put here along with my organizer, which I think I might want to replace because it's getting a little too big. Okay. And then, let's see, let's try packing the pouches in here. So I still have 1 pocket here and then 2 side pockets there. So if I put this in the middle, and this in the middle too, and then I can always just take out the pouches actually and just use the pockets. Just depends on how you prefer to pack, I guess. Like I said before, I love pouch packing just because I'm not the only one getting into my bag. My husband or my sisters are with me, and I just tell them which pouch to pull, and that's easy enough. Okay. So, and then I do have 2 pairs of clothing for my girls. It is getting colder, so I am holding their jackets. That's why I like this bag, because it's definitely big and it can hold a lot. Just trying to figure. Maybe take this. I don't really need my planner for now. We can probably put, that kind of releases a lot of the space. So you can do what's in there. Oh, this is so 2 pairs of clothes for my kids. They're 3 and 5. This is a custom Jujube Be Quick. And it works. And then, so this is technically like my mom purse. This will go behind it. And then I was gonna put water bottles on the side because normally I don't like having it on the outside, but we'll see. So I have these 2. This is from Costco, and this is a Walla. This is, I think they're 20 ounce, so this might be like the 12 ounce. So let's see, on this side, I just wanted to see if the outside pocket will still work, if I still have room inside too. Which, so normally with these side pockets, if you use them, the inside gets compromised. Vice versa, if you use the inside bottle pockets, the outside pockets get compromised, meaning like there's not enough space. Like that goes there. And then if I were to do a water bottle outside as well, it wouldn't really fit. So yeah, so if you're gonna use a water bottle or a bottle inside, I mean, make sure it's either slimmer or just use these for I guess like skinnier things, like stuff that you would reach for outside your backpack. Alright, so then I forgot about my little baby pouch. I think I can just fit it in here. I think that works. So if you're not familiar with Mina Baie, they pretty much all their backpacks have a padded, tablets case back here. So you can put your iPad. This one would probably fit a 13-inch laptop in here. Okay, so this is how I have it packed up. See, there's still room at the top here. I can probably put their sweaters on top. I didn't even use the zipper pocket here. I put my iPods in here, chapstick and whatnot, and then another little pocket right here. Okay, so I did not like how it was packing. So I've done this with a lot of Mina Baie bags before, where I put the pouches, the closed pouch on the bottom, like just stuffed it in there. That was advice I got from other Mina Baie moms who use this, use their bags. It worked in the Mini Kinney as well as the Mini Harper. So here I'm doing the same. And I like just putting them in pouches because I feel like it's the bottom of the bag and stuff gets in there. So I'd want to protect the clothes. So the pouch fits perfectly down there. Let's see. So I'm gonna just put that before I hit everything else. That's the snack pouch. My chargers I will put in this back pocket here. I kept the BB pouch and the pay packet behind. And let's do my Nintendo Switch in there. Okay, so that stuff fits. And then we're trying to roll up the jackets. So just putting the closed pouch at the bottom of the bag definitely made a difference. I feel like there's more room. So if you guys have trouble packing it, this definitely is one of a good way to do it. So we can put the water bottle there. And then, let's see, this will go in the front here. Let me try rolling up that sweater again, because the other sweater I have is pretty thick, so it's not rolling up very well. And that can fit here. Okay, and then this one can go on top. I feel like that one this way is a lot better. Although let me switch this one because it's kind of hard. This one here. There you go. Okay, and obviously you can see there's one pocket I didn't use, the two smaller pockets with this and the zippered one. So this one I can just put like that. So this is packed pretty full. We're actually going to dance class today, so I do need jackets and who knows, extra clothes. They'll want water and snacks. So this is normally what I pack for a full day out. So definitely, I mean, it's packed pretty full. So I mean, and it still has its shape. It's nylon, so it's definitely a lot lighter than the leather I've packed before in this style. Thanks for watching. Bye.